Progress you can see, value you can trust. Hi, this is Grace. Quick update tayo sa Danarra North, located in Barangay Poblacion, Liloan Cebu. As of today, ongoing ng site development, may land clearing, roadwork, and initial construction works. Tuloy-tuloy na ang paghahanda para sa future homeowners ng community na to. Hindi lang basta bahay ang ino-offer dito. Danarra North is a wellness-inspired community, may clubhouse, fitness loop, playground at pet-friendly park, designed for modern and relaxed living. And guess what? Pre-selling price pa ngayon, kaya kung gusto mong makasigurado ng unit habang mababa pa ang presyo, now is the best time to reserve. Message me for the latest sample computation or to book a site tour. This could be your future home sa Liloan, Cebu.